Hello, Karin here on behalf of Makers Mercantile. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the, what have we got here? Of the Craft Corner Box of the Month for December. Now you can actually see what the finished product is behind me. It's actually a gnome garland, and there's two different versions of it. There's a simpler version for the younger crowd, and there's a more complex three-dimensional version for the older crowd. But let's see what's in our box today. And we start with a lemon head candy cane. So you always got to have some kind of a little treat in there. And then look at this. We have a whole box full of goodies in here. So let's see what's in here. We have a little bit of stuffing, and I'm pretty sure that this is used to go into these three-dimensional little gnomes that we have here. There's beard supplies. Ooh, look at this. In the beard supplies, there's some different types of mohairs. There's some faux fur. Look at this. I mean, there's just all different kinds of goodies in there that you can use for the beards on these cute little gnomes. Then there is some yarn, and this yarn is actually used to braid and create your garland to hold your gnomes and so on. And then there is 3 different balls of yarn. This one is used to make pom-poms. As you can see, there's little yellow pom-poms throughout, and it has little white specks in it. This here is used to tie off your pom-poms, and you can make some pom-poms out of it too, but it's a very strong acrylic. And then to give you a little bit more fun, you have a little bit of a metallic there. Now you also have felt that you can use to make the hats on your gnomes. You have a little container here that is full of all the little goodies that you can use to adorn your gnomes. There's pine cones and bells and pom-poms and oh my goodness, little sequins, all different kinds of little things. And then of course, well, you're gonna find out if you get the kit what you're gonna need these for. And you have the fabric. There you go. You have fabric in, let's see here, there's 5 different ones that all sort of coordinate for you to make your gnomes, whether you make the 3-dimensional version or whether you make the flat version. Then, of course, there's gonna be a little pom-pom maker so you can make your pom-poms, instructions on how to use it, and then, of course, total instructions, step-by-step, with photos on how to make both types of the different gnomes. So that is today's box for the Craft Corner. I think we skipped last month, but we will do another unboxing next month when I believe we're going to be doing something with snowmen. Anyways, that's it. For those of you who have your boxes, we hope you're enjoying it. For those who haven't signed up, if you'd like to, you can most definitely sign up. Simply go to our website, go to subscriptions, and then you'll see all the different subscriptions you can sign up on there. Thank you so much, and we will see you soon. Ciao.